Building your dream website, a beginner's journey with WebManager.NG. I am Michael, your web director. Welcome to the world of web creation, where your ideas can come to life with just a few clicks. Creating a website may look difficult, but it doesn't have to be. With the right approach, it can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience. With the right tools and guidance, anyone can build a stunning online presence. You don't need to be a tech expert to create something amazing. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a WordPress website using WebManager.NG, a platform designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. Whether you're a small business owner, a passionate blogger, or simply want to share your thoughts with the world, WordPress empowers you to bring your vision to life. The possibilities are endless. We'll break down each step into sized pieces, ensuring you feel confident and supported throughout the journey. No step is too small, and no question is too big. I recommend you to drop any question on the comment section and subscribe to our channels for more interesting guides like this. Now, get ready to embark on an exciting adventure of building your very own website. Let's dive in. Your journey to a beautiful website starts here. Before we start, get a device, either a laptop, desktop, or even your mobile phone with internet access. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully functional WordPress website ready to share with the world. Let's get started. Your online presence is just a few steps away. Getting started, your WebManager.NG account. Every journey begins with a single step, and in our case, that step is creating your free WebManager.NG account. This is the gateway to a world of efficient web management. Head over to the WebManager.NG website and look for the Login Register button. It's prominently displayed on top of the website menus to make your experience seamless. You'll be greeted with a simple form asking for some basic information if you already have an account. If not, click on Register to get started. You will be required to put your name, email address, and a few other details. Don't worry, it's quick and painless. The form is designed to be user-friendly and straightforward. Fill in your details, choose a secure password, and boom! You now have an account. Make sure your password is strong to keep your account safe. You're now a proud member of the WebManager.NG community. Welcome aboard. We're excited to have you with us. Once you've signed up, check your email for a verification link. You can also check your spam folder to ensure your email didn't go into the spam box. Click on it to activate your account and unlock the full potential of WebManager.NG. It's that easy. Enjoy exploring all the features we offer. Laying the foundation. WordPress hosting. Now that you have your WebManager.NG account, it's time to choose the foundation of your website. WordPress hosting. Think of web hosting as the land where your website will reside. WebManager.NG offers various hosting plans tailored to different needs. WordPress, shared, reseller, and VPS, many more hosting plans. Whether you're just starting or anticipating lots of traffic, there's a plan perfect for you, as you can easily install WordPress on any of the hosting plans. Don't worry about the technical details. Simply select the plan that aligns with your website's goals and budget. WebManager.NG makes it easy to upgrade later if needed. Remember that you need a domain name also. We already discussed how to register a domain name in the video linked on the description. Section 4, One-Click Magic, Installing WordPress. With your hosting plan in place, the next step is to install WordPress, the engine that powers your website. WebManager.NG makes this process a breeze with its one-click WordPress installation feature. No complicated setups or technical knowledge required. Navigate to your WebManager.NG control panel. Look for the WordPress installation section provided by Softaculous app and click the magic button. WebManager.NG will handle the rest, setting up WordPress on your hosting account automatically. Section 5. Entering your new home. Accessing your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully installed WordPress. Now it's time to step inside and start designing your online home. You can access your WordPress dashboard by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain name in your web browser. For instance, if your domain name is www.yourwebsite.com, your WordPress dashboard address would be www.yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Log in using the username and password you created during the WordPress installation process and get ready to explore. Section 6. Dressing up your site, themes and customization. This section will guide you through the exciting process of transforming your website's appearance. First impressions matter, and your website's design is the first thing visitors will notice. A well-designed site can captivate and engage your audience instantly. WordPress offers a vast library of themes, providing endless possibilities to style your site. Whether you're looking for something minimalistic or vibrant, there's a theme for every vision. Think of a theme as a pre-designed template that dictates the look and feel of your website. It sets the tone and atmosphere, making your site unique. From sleek and modern to elegant and classic, there's a theme to match every brand and personality. You can find themes that reflect your brand's identity perfectly. You can browse and preview themes directly from your WordPress dashboard. This allows you to see how each theme will look on your site before making a decision. Once you've found the perfect one, simply click Activate to apply it to your site. It's that easy to give your website a fresh new look, and boom, that is it.